Well, it's generator time. Got about 23% left on the batteries, which is still okay. But if the weather's going to be like this for the rest of the day, then potentially I'm going to run out at some point tomorrow. Now, put this into here. We switched this here from the inverter over to the power, and we should be good to go. Everything's come back on. Let's have a little look in here as well. Oh, look at that. We're getting some positive ampage in there now. So if you listen carefully, you can hear it just humming away down there in the background.